Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be addressing something that's been bothering me for a while, which is the seatbelt. And that is that the seatbelt doesn't go back in its place very quickly. Mine's not that bad, but when I'm driving and I have my seatbelt on, it feels rough. So I'm going to be taking care of that by using this. This is a silicone based lubricant. Some people use a WD-40, but that's a water based lubricant, so eventually it's gonna dry out and make it worse. But this one is silicone lubricant, so it won't dry out, and it's safe to use on materials like this. So it's super easy. It's gonna be a quick video. All you have to do is pull the seatbelt all the way back as far as you can. There. And carefully spray the lubricant on the seatbelt like that. Okay, and give it a few pulls so it gets all lubricated. And it's super smooth now. So that's awesome. Super smooth. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side. And we're all done. So that was a super simple and effective way to take care of something that is annoying. I'll put the link of this product in the description below, so make sure you try this and let me know how it works. Thanks. I'll see you on the next one.